are not exempt from paying income tax and amathing as a gift. See the cam, no, some brush compound.
Madu, Atumani, Ministry of business, trans central government, you have to fix it by 2047. This is a target for our nation also. Fix it the only thing is to boost the economy of the nation for business or entrepreneurs to grow. Entrepreneurs in the business, have the central government or state government or employability issue. Have the state government it's not possible. So that is the reason government also come up with startup schemes. The simple reason is many of the entrepreneurs, those who have an idea, those who can dream for the society. So you should come up with that idea. We'll support with that idea so that you can generate some of the employability. So that then we reduce the liability to the government at the same time. Government liability can reduce some of the money. I think the second part of the concern is the only thing is to promote industry. Industry promotes economy. This is the wealth, and then this is the other economy. The concern. The government usually income tax section ITIAC. We can go for the tax exemption holiday for 3 years. Say only put the way to process the way. If anything required, please come to the office. We can discuss.
Thank you. So,
sorry, some IT Prakash Construction Company Chalai Kanatori. Sir, Saukalak say a business is Saukalakpi Matuna Fund Lautening. Adugamu, a Koisha Labor Tiba Higadra, Yamsu Changeluraba, Hanbasungam Draba, Kasu Kakapangam Draba, Corona Namuk Tom, COVID Namuk Tom, Kukila Namuk Tom, Aduga transactions, sir, Aroi with the takes Kazi Hunba or Magamu, Chap Lepa. Hazi GST Yam Shang and a pine Tiduri. So a coin funding the Nasi tiny taro in room apply toning either. I took a quick GST and a comatum the GST is a good low high river. A quick GST, the chin and heavy GST or doing anything never get pine the Tiraga. A quick business house is in a Toriba, money and South Sokaniva. I do a quick the suit has a man to me a quick team members in. So a quick the D, Sir Anigi, Sir Rajipka, Sir Animaki suggestion pumping.
Entrepreneur issue this is the real issues for all the entrepreneurs in Manipur. Many people, I'm learning about the entrepreneurs. Masaki, every among the for survival in survival of this. Other Masaki GSTC, the way about mandatory way and I business what are the mandatories? Compliant to the and the business of many options are there. I cannot go to Hijack. Although, as I give OPC of Mahayam, provide but why do you require to incorporate a company? Company rates are the but not fully prepared. I shall prepare the owners that are. You have to ask why I go separate from one. Aduna, start with why. Simon sneaky by the government in the loop may have to cut the party, other kind of super company. Another thing go in the charm. Other Uziki, last again, say GST otherwise. GST Thiogaba, I say, as I issue, can I do it? Shani Udrico. Marathi, I GST bill direct, but the person who is consuming everything as a consumer do not already paid to it with GST. As I what even may have the COVID, what if the he never preserved his small. If he got away, I will the same Waiba, him to Mount William. The GST is him to Mount William. The business owner who runs the business, the Madi B2B webinar, B2C webinar collector, his responsibility is to collect the GST from the public who directly consumes and deposit to the government account. That is his duty. The Sarkar has now the GST local owner responsibility big about the local to GST bill, the local revenue, the other Sudan Saturday. Maya Madu Pena, 91. I will never. Other person I will go to the same business and never love him. there's a lot of sources to do certain things, but symbol forum the hiding anything you can't come to consultancy that what is aware of masaki forums the masaki no my thing
so we contact about construction farm newly developed over business over the labor and is incorporated over by
Thank you, Prakash. Prakash said, "Yang koi koi na dum ponare." Ado construction hai ba matam sida de koi na sa ki koi na ba SAP incubation center koi na ba work to ji grant na ba wina work to koi loan ba na ba work to ke adu na grant hai ba matam ji na koi je ai mana paisa je sing do paisa hai na grant but sometimes it goes to the area of the ado koi na evolution lo ya adu de nga anupama wa ja thadari paisa ji de pa la ke je grant na kane koi some close to the area to moi na hai je nang is the ideas na it's going to solve some particular problem for the society adu de nga sige paisa je thadara kana pose to ga le adu da prakash ki construction ne construction ji de nga sai innovation de ka ni wa chu ne ko adu sige de innovation na pui ba nang na ge ga de under mama phata IIT Madras ki company ma startup company ma 3D printer season na CRC season na CRC je minus 30 ni ko sida 3D printer season na ga begini keno sai bunker ne ati sai adu nang nga sai ke adu di to work for the last 5 to 10 years you might be knowing lots of problems that what are the problems you are facing adu dura na can you come up with some innovation hai ni am chong na ke mo adu na some minor changes we notice music and like pandemic and we notice we have some geographical area, soil area, and like that. So that if you can focus on this particular area, none of some innovation for the funding here. Even the donor ministry has 9 program statement. Moya chief secretary man say cover the mission of the donor ministry matan say to mang you ko ki man say to basically chief secretary mapan say cover moya program statement hang here. Notice is taking funds lagi. Sehingga program saya menjadi government scheme yang ada, for example, macam yung kini gas connection di luar, ada cing besar yung cing di gas connection tu pengguna ada, mari kita saja cari yung do proper structure di mana sih kita jadi, namun yung kini electricity supply connection tu ada. Sehingga program saya menjadi mereka. Tidak namun saya construction tu nanti one vertical nanti jadi. If you can come up with some innovation part of we can definitely support and help you. Nanti construction juga so support palm with the 29K Manipur Startup Venture Fund. Since they don't participate of you, they are ready to help and support the startup ecosystem from this sector. Thank you very much.
GST billing itu program. But